Okay, so I've got my Kali instance booted up, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, as I was saying earlier, I have enlarged my resolution. I think I'm running at 1600 by 1020 or something similar to that. Anyway, I've changed the desktop background. I've got a lot more real estate on the screen to work with here. So one of the first things we want to do when you set up your instance of Kali is to go ahead and update it. So we're going to run apt get update and apt get upgrade. And this will go ahead and give me all the latest modules and libraries and so on for whatever I've got installed. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, I want to continue. This process may take a few minutes depending on your connection speed and the speed of your hardware. But it is worthwhile to get updated before you begin to further build out your system and to do any kind of customizations. Okay, it's still cranking along here. It's been a few minutes. As I was saying, this does take a little time, especially if you have not run the update in quite a while. But it's unpacking a bunch of libraries, and we'll let that finish off.